Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee in home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a pinch of salt. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This ensures your toffee won't stick. Finally, grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan, which is crucial for even heat distribution and preventing scorching. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a heat-resistant spatula. The key here is patience and consistent stirring to prevent crystallization. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage for toffee. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and your pinch of salt. Be careful, as the mixture will be very hot. Promptly pour the hot toffee onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it evenly with your spatula if needed. Now, let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or until it's firm and brittle. After your toffee has fully cooled and hardened, it's time for the satisfying part: breaking it. You can gently tap it with the back of a spoon or your hands to create irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious homemade toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It makes a fantastic gift or a delightful treat for yourself. And hey, while you're enjoying your sweet treat, make sure your car smells great too. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.